So read up about the sponsor a skilled worker, whether you're doing this or whether you're not. For example, you still need to be aware of this. So do you want to learn more? If you want to learn more, we have various boot camps. We've got more web classes. We've got one next week, which is healthcare technology, which is huge. We are doing a program as well. And, you know, there's different types of healthcare businesses as well for you as a business owner, or maybe you're starting out. So you need to decide which ones you're going to do and create that as your 12-month plan as well. So we have the 6-figure accelerator mentorship program. And this is where we do the bid training online. It's a 90-day program, and we do government contracts, we do private sector contracts, etc. We've got clients currently on the program, and they are getting massive value from this because they're actually getting contracts. Okay, every single week we apply for contracts. Every single week we are submitting a contract as well as you learning as well. And like I said, one of the providers, you know, they've been able to get multiple contracts with only being with us for a few weeks. And I would like the same for you. For example, the 90-day bidding is for private as well as care homes, as well as NHS, for example. There's so much work out there as well. And I'd like you to be a part of that. It's 12 modules. The curriculum is 3 hours a week. It's not for everyone. This is for you if your business is set up and you've got no contracts, or maybe you've got contracts and you want to get to the next level. We've got clients who have got, for example, 75 hours a week up to 1,000 hours a week, you know, but they want to increase their business. So we don't accept any more than 20 people, and we do have some spaces left right now. And like I said, every single month you apply for at least one contract you submit. Within that 4 weeks, you're answering the tender questions. I'm helping you to answer those tender questions. My philosophy is that I want to teach you to be able to fish for a lifetime, not showing you how to just eat for one day. You know, my philosophy is fish for a lifetime. Teach a man to fish, for example, or woman to fish. It's both. Okay? So book your free 15 to 30 minute consultation with me so that I can talk to you to see whether it's a good fit for you and whether we're a good fit for you as well. Because it has to work both ways. So there is an application process. We need to make sure that you have set up. Your business isn't new, because if it is new, then you need to do the boot camp that we have. We have a boot camp which we're doing this weekend, which is fully sold out, so we don't have availability. But the next one is in September, which is only a few weeks away. So it is September the 2nd to the 3rd, for example, which is the next boot camp. So I'll just put the link there just so that you've all got it as well. So I want you to book your free 15-minute consultation with myself or the team, and we will gladly speak to you more in detail. But like I said, if you are a new startup and you haven't set your business up, then you need to do the boot camp. The boot camp still covers contracts, but this is for purely business owners that want contracts that are ready to apply the contracts physically, with me being there to support you every week to answer those tender questions. Like, for example, they've been submitting contracts. Okay, so Charlotte, if you book a free 15-minute consultation, that would be great. So that the next date is October, but if you book a free 15-minute consultation, we can also mention. So like I said, the dates is, we've got 2 more for this year for bootcamp. So you need to really get it in now. Like how we sold out in August, the bootcamp coming up this weekend, there's only 2 more dates available this year, and that's September and October. So the September date I gave you, which was the 2nd to the 4th. Then the October date is, I'm not quite sure, so maybe one of the team members can put in the chat box what the dates are. If you want to go straight through onto the bootcamp, we can send you the link for you to make your payment. Excellent. So yes, thank you for that. So the October dates are the 7th to the 9th of October for the bootcamp. Like I said, it's the last 2 of the year. So really you need to get in now before it gets booked up. Like our August one got booked up. I'd hate for you to miss out. We do work on a first come, first serve basis, just to let you know. And we only allow 20 into each group, for example. So do book your free 15-minute consultation. Maybe one of the team members can put a link in for the bootcamp as well. But we also have the system whereby it's not the live bootcamp, but you still get the bootcamp videos, you still get the training, etc. Apart from I'm not there live training you through the 3 days.